Continue with the second chapter. We stay on a planet Earth. Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon revolves around the Earth. As the Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth, that is why it follows the Earth with its fixed orbit. So we can say the Moon indirectly revolves around the Sun. Now when the Sun, Moon and the Earth comes in a straight line, it is called eclipse. Now we will learn in this video solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. What is solar eclipse? When the Sun, Moon, Earth comes in a straight line where the Moon shadow falls on the Earth, it is called solar eclipse. During solar eclipse, Moon comes in between the Earth and the Sun. The shadow of the Moon consists dark part, it is called umbra, and light part, it is called penumbra. To see the solar eclipse, we need special goggles, otherwise the harmful rays of the sun will harm one's eyes. When we see solar eclipse from penumbra, that is light shadow area, we can only see a partial sun. It is called partial solar eclipse. But if we stand in the dark shadow of the Earth, that is umbra, we find that Moon is covering the full Sun, no Sun is visible in the sky. It is called total solar eclipse. Now start with the lunar eclipse. On a special full moon day, when the Sun, Earth, Moon comes in a straight line in the way where the Moon comes under the Earth's shadow, it is called lunar eclipse. When Moon comes in the light shadow, penumbra, it is called partial lunar eclipse. When Moon comes in dark shadow of the Earth, it is called total lunar eclipse. During total lunar eclipse, we find Moon red. Why it is so? Because sunlight are formed of different colors when sunlight passes from the Earth. The particle present in the Earth atmosphere only allows red light to pass, and other color of the sunlight spread in the atmosphere. That's why the sun look red and it is called a blood moon. Conditions of occurrence of eclipse. Why on every full moon day and new moon day we do not get eclipses? Because the moon orbit is tilted than that of the Earth at 5-degree angle. The moon orbit intersects the Earth orbit twice in a month during revolution.